Good. Friends, hello, this is Sanjay again with Charumati, and she'll now talk about her journey into the art painting world. So, when did you start?
See, I've been painting since I was a child. Like the last I remember in my school days, that used to be my favorite pastime.
Where was your schooling from?
My schooling was from MGD School, Jaipur.
Yes, Maharani Gayatri Devi. Yes.
So they gave me enough opportunity to showcase my work. And of course, my first teacher was my mother. So that artistic streak comes from her side of the family. So ever since I was always drawn to nature. So florals, flowers, birds, and landscapes, that's what I used to do. But this tiger theme that came into my life, that came when my husband was posted in Savai Madhopur. That's where the Ranthambore National Park is. And I got many opportunity to see the tiger in the wild, in all its splendor.
Great. Yeah, because since you come from Rajasthan, so I could equate like normally like we've lived in Bombay. So Bombay it's no tigers. Maybe the circus used to be there. Now the government of India has possibly banned those circuses also. So animal is, we have to go to the wild. And if we go to the wild, I've been to Corbett and all. So you rarely spot. Last time I visited in 16, so we spotted Sharmili, when we were on the way back. So this is very difficult, and then you to sketch them. So this is your inspiration, and like Sunilji was talking about birds. So in birds, what do you do the painting? What sketch?
I used to do the birds, like I said before. I started focusing on tigers. Birds were my favorite, birds and flowers. But ever since I picked up this theme, now that became my focus and my inspiration. And since it was a new subject for me, so it took me time to get a foothold on it. And I really enjoyed this particular medium because charcoal was also a new medium for me.
Yes. How much time would it normally take you to paint, say, this kind of work?
It depends on how much work I put in a day. Earlier, when I was younger, I used to work like 3-4 hours a day, but now I normally put in maybe 1 or maximum 2 hours. So I think something like this I would normally complete in like a week or 10 days. Smaller ones would take less time.
Right. And what do you planning for the future? Like one time we had this phase of Corona when all the artists withdrew, but here I saw a lot of new artists emerge. There were people, professionals, doctors sitting at home. So these people took to the canvas. So how was your time in the Corona?
Yeah, my Corona time was actually a period where I had almost stopped working because there were other personal matters to take care of. And anyways, it was somehow just a phase where other things had taken over. Right. But in this particular year, then I realized that I'm just, if God has given me this gift, so I should continue with the good work and keep projecting the tiger, keep getting it back in the spotlight.
Right,
and luckily, or coincidentally, I would say that this year Project Tiger completes 50 years. So I'm happy my exhibition is coinciding with that.
Yeah, we'll just move a little bit. We can also take this, maybe these pictures we can just capture. As you say, like, so we are also, members of the WWF. So when we studied the Air Force School, so we had our principal taking us for trekking. And we grew up in that kind of atmosphere. So even it's lovely to see all these paintings. And now what are you planning in the future? Any more shows coming up?
Yes, I hope to be more consistent because like you said, Corona period was a time when I had almost given up. So I hope to be consistent in the future, and I would like to continue with this theme as well as what I used to do as a child, my love for nature and natural subjects.
Right.
So, and I keep, since I'm a self-taught artist, I keep experimenting with other mediums. And so you'll always see a mix of everything, and I like to keep the tigers in focus, so I will continue with them.
Great.
Yes.
And you said your first source of inspiration you drew from your mother. So now it's about art teacher, yes, because even like our mothers, they grew up, with either doing embroidery or whatever, the finer arts. So now about your family, coming to your family, your nearest, and so how do they take you as an artist?
Yes, they are very happy that they've seen me grow over the years, and especially in my artistic journey, and they have been a source of support.
Do they also kind of practice? Do they do?
Not really anymore.
Okay.
But they were like I said, my mother's side of the family. So my mother's sisters, they're also artists who have, and in fact, one of my aunts had an exhibition in this particular gallery itself about 45 years ago.
Lovely.
So, so they have always been very supportive. Even my husband's family, they have always supported this work.
That's good, because if everybody's supporting you,
Yes, that's
so
how.
you're encouraged.
Absolutely encouraged, and it's like a team effort to hold an exhibition. So, like as they say, artists just like to be in their rooms and working quietly, but the rest of the show is managed by the family.
So, Charumati, just lastly, we want to sum it up saying, like you've been here for almost 3-4 days, and you had the vice president inaugurating. Right. So it was a big moment for you.
Oh, yes, it was.
So how do you feel now, last 3-4 days you've been spending here? What is your biggest moment you want to share with us?
Yeah, I think the presence of the vice president itself was a big moment for me. It's a big moment for the Tiger, and it's a big moment for the art world.
So I think at this we'll just sum it up, and like as she said, Project Tiger is completing 50 years. So we need to save the tiger, we need to save our ecosystem, the wildlife.
Absolutely.
So it's about birds, it's about animals, it's about those harmless creatures.
Yes, it's about the jungles and our environment.
Yes.
For the future generations.
And also like
and for the planet to sustain itself.
Yes. Because recently we were at the Durga Puja Pandal. So they're trying to show that what we are giving to our next generation. Absolutely. So they're showing a school child who's carrying an oxygen cylinder, to school. That is what people are seeing the future. So we have to...
we have to act now. So that
act now.
Yes.
And lastly, like I just want to add from my side, it's say no to drugs, say no to alcohol, and a tiger ke paas khade, to say no to means be a veggie. I'm not saying means people are countries across and Indians across, people are eating the animals. So I always tell them, not that I'm a Jain, not for that reason, but I said your pure vegetarian food, जो आपको पेड़ों से मिल रहा है, that's enough for your lively, जो आपकी good health.
Healthier option too.
Healthier option.
Yes.
Thank you, Charumati, and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.